Hey guys, it's Andrew here with Cyber Review. Welcome back. Today I have got a Cydia tweak for you, and it's one of my favorites, one I always get every time I jailbreak my device. It is called 3G Unrestrictor, and it is brought to you by the Insanely Repository. So, in order to get this source, all you do in Cydia is click on Manage, you click on Sources, and once you're in Sources, hit Edit. You'll see the Add button up top, hit Add, and you enter the URL. The URL is right here at the bottom of the screen, and I'll also leave it in the description. So go ahead and enter the URL, hit Add Source, and once you've done that, it'll pop up on your source list. There's mine right there. So that's all you do, guys, to add the source. 3G Unrestrictor is really cool. What it does is it unrestricts your 3G just how it says. So, for example, what it can do is it takes those apps that only let you use Wi-Fi and make it so you can use them over 3G. So, and a good example is FaceTime. FaceTime you can normally use over just Wi-Fi. Well, with this tweak, you're able to use FaceTime over 3G and use it anywhere, which is awesome, and I love that feature. Also, when you're playing Netflix or YouTube and you have that pixelation when you're watching it over 3G, if you use 3G Unrestrictor, it'll make the pictures a lot clearer, just like it's over Wi-Fi. Another good thing it's used for is when you're trying to download one of those apps that's over 20 megabytes or update it. This will allow you to do it over 3G, which is really cool. So, let's go ahead and jump into the app here. So here's what it'll look like when you open it up. Now what you have to do is you do have to add the apps that you want to enable with 3G Unrestrictor. So in order to do that, you hit Edit, and you hit this plus sign up here. And then you can add whatever app you would like. You can either search for it up top, or you can just scroll down until you find it on here. And once you have found what you wanted, click on it, and that'll add it to your list of apps that you've enabled. And here are all the ones I've enabled. And like I said, FaceTime's my favorite thing. So once you've done that, you're good to go, and it'll work over 3G. And then if you want to delete the source, you do the same thing. Just hit Edit, and you can delete the source by clicking and hitting Delete. So that's about it, guys. That's how 3G Unrestrictor works. It is a free app if you go through the Insanely Repository, and I would highly recommend it. It is very useful. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the review. If so, go ahead and hit that like button right down below there for me. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Twitter, like me on Facebook, and check out my website, cyberreview.net. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.